All right. So many of us they've been asking, especially for beginners, they've been asking what is stock and what is stock. So I'm going to first start it from there. Then I also explain what is forex. So when a company starts up, they share equity among the owners. So equity specifically is like a portion. If you're having an apple, then you divide it into four pieces. So every person takes a piece. These pieces may be equal or not. So every piece a person is owning of the original apple, that is his equity. So when companies are starting, sometimes this equity divides in terms of who has contributed a lot of money in terms of the capital that they all invested in. But it is also about who is going to do a lot of work, who is bringing a lot of skill on the table. Then after some time, when this company becomes successful, it is listed on the trade markets, okay, New York trade markets, and so many others. And this we call it an IPO, okay, an IPO. So when a company is listed and carries out an IPO, it gets funds from different people. So it means that literally it has gone from private to public. So now it's a publicly traded company. So that means that now you can also buy, you can get a portion of that apple. Literally, you can also get a portion of the shares in that company. So it means that at that moment you can be in position to be getting to buy shares from any company that has been listed. Right now we have so many companies that are listed. So many, just to bring it to your awareness, we have Amazon, Facebook, we have Alibaba, we have Toyota, quite so many. There are thousands. So you can buy them, but you can also buy stock from local companies in your country. For example, here where I am right now in Uganda, you can buy from Stanbic Bank, you can buy from Wimeme, you can buy from Cipra, but these ones specifically you can buy them online. You have to use the when it's called SEC, that means that you have to use brokers, then they enable you to access these shares. So you get a local broker within your area where you're found in whichever state, whichever country you're found, then they buy for you shares in those companies in your area. Then for those which are international, you can buy them online. So you just need to get an online broker. There are quite so many. There is IH option, there is FBS, there is TO, the order. Quite so many. There are thousands. So you just need to get the best, the one who suits within you. But before you go into this market, you must be knowing the do's and don'ts. Specifically, there are some rules you must follow. Many people happen to just rush out of excitement and happen to lose all their money, which is bad. And that's why people like us who have been to the industry always come on board to just guide you on how best you can be able to invest in these industries. So that is specifically how stock is. There is local, then there is the national one. The international, how do you approach it? You use a broker. Okay, so for local brokers, international brokers, you can get online brokers. There are so many. Then for local companies, you can just in local brokers. We have so many. For example, I'm found here is equity brokers, so you can just get them. Then you just start with them. Then you're in position to buy shares. Then you just need to follow up. Okay, just need to follow up after buying, for example, 100 shares from any company, maybe from Apple. Right now it's at 1016.8 US dollar per share. So after buying one, then you just follow it up within a not a so long period of time. It has grown and it has appreciated. Then the difference, if tomorrow it is 130, then you just calculate the difference and you have the number of shares you bought, so you know how much profit you have made. Now the thing about it is that some companies happen to also give out dividend. Dividend specifically is a profit share with people having shares within that company. So if you prefer dividend, it's also good. Now when you're buying shares, still there is what you need to understand. Are you going into long term, short term? You can be buying shares. You buy it right now, within 10 minutes you sell these shares and you make profit. You can be buying shares, you buy right now from any company across the world, then within one day you sell them off, then you make a profit. You can buy shares right now and within 1 week you sell them off. So the liquidity is so high. There are always people who want to buy these shares and there are always people who want to sell. So you buying and selling is very easy, but the point is knowing where to sell and when to sell and where to to buy is very easy. So this is why we come in always to guide you. So that is stock for those who don't know and how it does operate. So in the next video we are going to be looking at forex. What is forex and how does it operate? What causes its change and how did it come about? So consider subscribing, consider liking this video, just that all the time, anytime we upload, we bring out anything new, you're always updated and you're always aware to keep learning and to see how best you can use that phone, that laptop you're having in your hands right now to make some money.